8. The climate of India. Hi buddies! Weather is the day-to-day change in conditions, including the changes in the atmosphere. These changes in temperature, levels of precipitation, wind speed, wind direction, and the change in air pressure. Climate is the average weather in a place over a period of time. In India, there are three main seasons. They are summer, rainy, and winter. North India lies mainly in the north temperate zone of the earth. Though cool or cold winters, hot summers, and moderate monsoons are the general pattern. South India has a very tropical climate with the monsoon playing a major part. The southwest monsoon accounts for most of the rainfall in the region, and much of it falls from about June to October. In this lesson, you will learn about the climatic conditions in India. 8. The climate of India. When talks about the cool day, hot day, cloudy day, they are talking about the weather of a country. Weather refers to how hot, cold, rainy, windy, or cloudy it is over a short period of time. When one talks of humidity, warm, cold, that is, it is very cold at Ooty. It refers to the climate. Anything that refers to the weather condition of a country for over a long period of time is called the climate of a country. As the lives of people, food, and others vary, the climate also varies from place to place. The climate varies mainly due to the following factors. 1. As the distance of a place from the equator varies, the climate varies. This makes North India cooler than South India. 2. The height above the sea level is another factor. The higher above the sea level is a place, the cooler it becomes. For example, Himalayas. 3. The distance from the sea or mountains also affect the climate of a country. The coastal plains are not very hot but are humid because of the sea breeze, while the northern plains are cold due to the cool winds from the Himalayas. India has three main seasons. They are summer, rainy, and winter. Summer. The summer season begins in March and ends up in June. In South India, it becomes hot in March and starts to rain in June, while in North India, summer starts in April and ends up in June. Hailstorms are common and occur when dry and moist air masses come in contact with each other. During this season, the sun rays fall directly on the equator. In summer, it is very hot in almost all the parts except in North India. In this season, days are longer than nights. Hot dry winds blow in the northern plains called as Loo. There are also dust storms. Most of the time the climate is dry and there is scanty rainfall. During this season, people wear cotton clothes. Rainy season. This season starts from June onwards. The winds with moisture from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal begin blowing to the land. Such winds are called the monsoon winds, bringing rains. In South India, this season starts from June, while in North India, it starts from the end of June or beginning of July. It continues till September. Some parts, especially the western coast and northeastern states, get heavy rains. The Great Indian Desert and the Run of Kutch receives scanty rainfall. The Coromandel Coast receives rain in November and December. Cyclones also hit the deltas of the Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers. People wear casuals and use an umbrella to protect from rains. Winter. This season starts in October and continues till February or March. This season has short days and long nights. In the Himalayas, there is heavy snowfall. The northern plains are very cold during this season. There are warm days and cold nights in the desert. January is the coldest month in the season. The occasional rains bring down the temperature. In southern India, winters are very moderate. There is a brief spring followed by summer. The people wear woolen clothes in this season. Let's revise the important points. 1. Weather refers to how hot, cold or rainy it is for over a short period. 2. Climate refers to the weather condition of a place for over a long period of time. 3. The factors which affect climate are A. Distance from the equator, B. The height above sea level, C. Distance from the sea or mountains. 4. The three seasons of India are summer, rainy and winter. 5. Mizoram is the place which receives the highest rainfall.